The most recent storm to hit David and Ruby's home was Hurricane Zeta.
Hurricane Zeta was not forecasted to be as severe as it turned out to be. It was very frightening. I mean, it had a lot of strong winds with it. I think they were clocked here 120 mile an hour to 125 mile an hour sustained winds for a period of about 4 hours. A large branch had broken off and the wind drove it into the roof. It tore about a 4-foot by 16-foot section of roof open on the porch area. So many homes received roof damage that the local lumber yards, you had to get whatever they had. So there's different colored shingles that were put on the roof to be able to patch it up.
We've had all the mismatched shingles for 6 months now, and I'm tired of seeing the different colored shingles.
I noticed you've got a little roof damage up there that you've repaired, but I hear you're getting a brand new roof.
Yes, we
Yes,
are. We're excited about that.
We are very excited about getting a new roof, a new metal roof. After Hurricane Zeta, most of the homes that had a metal roof had no roof damage, or if they did, it was very minor.
I understand the one you chose is not just a simple metal roof. I saw the pictures of it. That looks great.
Thank you. We thought about it, we debated about all of that, and
We wanted the look of more of a shingle style roof instead of the typical metal roofs.
that's pretty, and that's our style of house. I didn't know a roof could be so pretty. I was afraid what the metal roof would look like on the house because we worked on it for so many years, and we like to keep it authentic.
So we did some research online and we found this metal shingle style roof that we chose to go with.
I really like this shingle. This is a nice shingle.
You know, David and Ruby really did a lot of research. They obviously love their house, and this is the perfect roof for where they are right here.
David's getting old and he can't climb on the roof.
Yeah, he looks like an old guy right there.
That's true. But you know, it comes with hurricane clips and 150 mile an hour wind protection, so it's long term.
Yeah, makes sense.
Long term, yes.
First thing in the morning, the roofers arrive with the new metal shingles. To prepare the roof, they start by trimming around the eaves, and installing underlayment over the existing shingles.
You know, I hear all the nailing and all the noise on the roof. Sounds like they're making progress. I think I'll go check it out with Tyler with the roofing company. You know, we did a roof like this before, and I was pretty impressed with the panels, how they hook together like that. That's got to add to the strength.
Absolutely, Danny. We start with the starter strip going across the front. All the shingles lock into that on the first course, and then they lock in on all 4 sides all the way around.
There's something here that's a little bit different. I see the foam underneath there, a little bit of insulation.
Absolutely, a little bit of R value, but the big thing that it does is it adds the walkability, and it also adds an nail resistance.
Oh man, that's good. That's important. But hurricanes, what else do you do to really strengthen this roof that maybe you wouldn't do if it was in another part of the country?
So we use 3 hurricane clips per 2-foot shingle, and because of that, the manufacturer gives us a 150 mile an hour wind warranty.
Oh man, I hope we never see any winds more than that.
Well, down here in the South, we never know.
I know.
While work continues on the roof, the manufacturer of these metal shakes drops by to see if David and Ruby have any questions.
So maintenance, cleaning. What's the best products or something to use for cleaning?
Well, down here in southern Louisiana, of course, mildew grows every place, and you guys know that.
Oh, yes.
A lot of times you'll use water and maybe detergent or maybe trisodium phosphate. So it's really pretty simple to clean if you need to. You also could use a light power washing or something like that if you have to, too.
Okay, good.
Light power washing.
Light power washing,
Light
yes.
power
Light
washing.
power washing.
Should it sustain damage from a hurricane, what would we have to do then?
We will actually take a new panel, cut off the locks, and cap over that damaged panel with a new panel. And so you don't have to tear into the inner locks and open it up or anything. You just literally cap over the damaged portion.
It's beautiful. I can't wait for it to be completely done.
David and Ruby's home has been weathering hurricanes on the bayou for 3/4 of a century. But the most recent storm had taken a toll. The damage to the roof left it looking like a patchwork quilt that they feared might only get unstitched again next season. Now they have a beautiful new roof that not only protects the house from whatever the weather can dish out, it also enhances the beauty of this classic old home.
I'm totally ecstatic. I love the roof.
The roof is more than what we expected.
I love the color of the roof. I love the texture. It looks like shingles. It looks so casual.
Extremely satisfied with the wind loads protection for storms, with the low maintenance, and couldn't be more pleased.